Hello, how do you change the battery in a Sony ZV1 or ZV1 camera? I had a rainbow above the happy heart here, and this is what it looks like on the picture I took on my phone. I had to take it on my phone because when I tried to take it on my ZV1, I got the camera out and then got this error message: battery exhausted. I've had this battery for about, oh my goodness, about 5 years now, and I think it's time to change the battery. Here's how I change mine. It's quite straightforward as soon as you know where to look. And I think this is the same for many other Sony cameras and versions of the Sony ZV1. The battery that the ZV1 takes is Sony lithium-ion NP-BX1. I have a brand new one here. There's a link down in the description if you want to get a new one too. But maybe you just want to take the battery you've got out. This is what the battery looks like, and you can see there are these 4 terminals here. Let's take a look now though at where the battery goes in the ZV1 camera. So I'm going to look underneath, and this is slightly different for different versions of the ZV1. The battery compartment is just on the left hand side here, and to open this compartment you slide this slider here towards the open, and then underneath you can see there's the SD card that pops out like this. I'll just push it in like that, and then to release the battery there's a catch here, a blue catch. So I'm going to push this catch to the side and the battery should spring up like that, and then the battery comes out. Now I've written my phone number on here just in case I ever lose the camera, so I'll leave my battery this side up. I'll just take the new camera battery, and you can see the terminals there match the terminals inside the camera. So I'm going to put it this way up, so the Sony side up towards the lens. And we'll just bounce it down, and you can see there's a spring there, and we need to just push it down till it clicks into place, like that. And then we can close the compartment and slide the catch over to keep the compartment closed. We can now charge it by opening this compartment here, and there is on my camera it's a micro USB slot. You might have a USB-C slot, but we just power it up there and that will charge the battery inside. So the rainbow's gone, but at least I've got a new battery in my camera. Time to charge it now. Thank you if this video is helping. If you hit the thumbs up or the subscribe button, it really helps me to keep this channel going. So thank you. And right here are all my Sony ZV1 or ZV1 camera videos, all my accessories and tips and tricks.